Implant economics, understanding price differences in Europe and Turkey. Implants for dental purposes have grown to be the most popular choice for patients suffering from missing a tooth or several. In addition, they appear and feel similar to natural teeth, but they also have an excellent percentage of success, and they can endure for years if given proper maintenance. The cost for implant surgery can differ dramatically based on where you reside. In this short video, we'll explore costs of dental implants in Europe as well as Turkey regarding implants for dental purposes. Europe is renowned for the high-quality health system it offers, and dental implants aren't an exception. The price of an individual dental implant within Europe is anywhere between 1,000 to 3,000 euros. It includes the dental implant itself along with the abutment as well as the crown to be installed upon top of the implant. If you live in countries such as Germany, France, and the UK with high costs of living, such as France and Germany, of living is quite high, expect to pay at the high part of the cost of the spectrum. In contrast, Turkey has become a famous location for medical tourism, with dental services included. Cost of dental implants in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared to Europe, as prices vary from 500 to 1,500 euros for each implant. It has brought many from Europe and around the globe to go to Turkey for dental treatments that are affordable. Then, what makes dental implants less expensive in Turkey when compared with Europe? There are many aspects that are responsible for the difference in price. One of the major factors is the price to live in Turkey. Labor costs, rental, materials, and rent is usually lower in Turkey when compared with Europe, which permits dental facilities to offer low prices but without losing high quality. Another reason is the incentive as well as subsidies offered for healthcare professionals in Turkey. In addition, the Turkish government has made significant investments in the healthcare system of its country in recent times, making dentists more able to acquire state-of-the-art technology and deliver top-quality services for less money. Furthermore, market for dental tourism business in Turkey is extremely fierce, and many dental clinics offer bundle deals including accommodations, transport, and sightseeing, in addition to the process of getting a dental implant. This has made it more desirable for foreign patients to pick Turkey as their destination for implants. The lower price that dental implants can bring in Turkey could seem to be an attractive deal. However, you must investigate and select a trusted clinic with skilled dentists. Ask questions about the quality of the implants as well as the efficiency of the practice, and also the post-care options offered. The final conclusion is that the cost difference in dental implants between Europe and Turkey are due to many factors like the price of living, incentives from the government, and the competition in the field of healthcare. When you are choosing to receive dental implants from Europe or Turkey, but the most crucial aspect is to focus on your dental health. Choose the right clinic. Make sure to remember that having dental implants is a major way to invest in your oral health and well-being.